Orhan Bey, the Sultan who transformed the Ottoman Empire. The man who made the Ottoman Empire a true power. The Ottoman Empire is remembered as one of the greatest empires in history. But while Osman Bey was the founder, it was Orhan Bey, his son, who turned the Ottomans from a small state into a real empire. He expanded territories, built one of the most powerful armies in history, and transformed a warrior tribe into a great Islamic state. Who was Orhan Bey? How did he expand his father's legacy? And what was his personal life like? If you love history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing historical stories. The world of Orhan Bey, 1281 to 1326. Orhan Bey was born in 1281, a time of constant war between the Byzantines, Mongols, and Turks. He grew up learning the art of battle, politics, and leadership from his father, Osman Bey. Orhan's early training: trained as a warrior from childhood, fought alongside his father in early battles, learned military strategy and governance. Orhan was not just a prince. He was a warrior raised to lead and expand the Ottoman state. Orhan Bey becomes Sultan, 1326. In 1326, Osman Bey, the founder of the Ottoman Empire, passed away. But before his death, he gave one final order to his son, Orhan. Osman Bey's last words: "My son, continue what we started. Expand our lands, rule with justice, protect the people, and never forget that Allah is watching over you." Orhan Bey takes the throne, declared the second ruler of the Ottoman Empire, focused on expansion, stability, and governance, moved the capital to Bursa, strengthening the empire. Orhan Bey was now in charge, and his first mission? Complete his father's dream. The expansion of the Ottoman Empire. Orhan Bey knew that if the Ottomans were to survive, they had to expand and grow stronger, and he did exactly that. Major conquests of Orhan Bey. Bursa, 1326. The first great Ottoman victory. Nicaea, 1331. A major Byzantine city falls. Nicomedia, 1337. Byzantines lose more territory. With each victory, the Ottomans grew stronger, richer, and more feared by their enemies. The creation of the Ottoman military and administration. Orhan Bey didn't just win battles. He built the foundations of a real empire. He transformed the Ottomans from a warrior state into a structured and powerful force. Orhan's key reforms created the Janissary Army, one of the most feared military forces in history. Established the first Ottoman government system, laws, taxes, and administration. Built mosques and schools, strengthening Islam and education. Orhan Bey was not just a warrior, he was a builder and a visionary. Orhan Bey's love and marriage. Behind every great leader is a strong partner. For Orhan Bey, that person was Nilüfer Hatun. Who was Nilüfer Hatun? Orhan Bey's greatest love was Nilüfer Hatun, a noble woman of Byzantine descent, a marriage that strengthened Ottoman-Byzantine relations, the mother of Murad I, the next Ottoman Sultan. Their marriage was not only a symbol of love, but also a political strategy that helped stabilize relations between the Ottomans and Byzantines. The later years and legacy of Orhan Bey. After ruling for 36 years, Orhan Bey had transformed the Ottoman state into an empire. He had expanded the land, built a strong government, and established an unbeatable army. Orhan Bey's legacy expanded the Ottoman Empire into a major power, created the famous Janissary, laid the foundation for future sultans. In 1362, Orhan Bey passed away, leaving behind a powerful empire that would soon dominate the world under his son, Murad I, the man who made the Ottoman Empire strong. Orhan Bey was not just a ruler, he was a visionary, a warrior, and a nation builder. What can we learn from Orhan Bey? Leadership and strategy. He knew when to fight and when to negotiate. Building for the future. He laid a strong foundation for the Ottomans. Justice and governance. He ruled with fairness and discipline. Without Orhan Bey, the Ottomans would have remained a small tribe, but because of him, they became an unstoppable empire. What do you think was Orhan Bey's greatest achievement? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing historical stories.